The purpose of this video is to find the area of a rectangle or parallelogram. In this figure right here, this is a parallelogram, and a parallelogram has opposite sides like left and right and top and bottom. Opposite sides are parallel to each other, meaning that they never intersect. So when we look at a parallelogram, if you take one of the corners here and cut a straight line up, and I take this piece off and I move it over here, it creates a rectangle. So the formula for area of a rectangle or a parallelogram is the exact same thing, because essentially the shapes might be different, but as far as the area goes, the area is the same. So again, this is a parallelogram, and now we have a rectangle there. Okay, so I'm going to keep it as a parallelogram just because it's something that I think it might be new for a lot of you. And so in this shape here, we have a base of 9 feet and a height of 6 feet. So first thing we're going to do is determine the formula for what we need. I'm going to use my mathematics reference materials, and I'm going to say, okay, the formula for area of a rectangle or parallelogram is base times height. So A equals base times height. Again, as I said in the previous video, you always need to make sure that you are writing the formula as your instructions. All right, step 2 is going to be substitute the values for the appropriate variables. So right now we do not know the area. I'm going to write it as an A. The base is 9 feet, so I'm going to substitute the B for 9, times the height, in this case is 6. Step 3 is to simplify my answer. So I have A equals, and 9 times 6 is 54. And step 4 is to use appropriate units. So when we are finding area, we are going to be measuring in square units. So our units is feet squared. So the area of this parallelogram or this rectangle is 54 square feet.